Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be prawn paste toast. Very tasty and delicious. The crunchiness is what we need over here. Give it a try and let's go cooking. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut around the outer layer of the corn. And use your fingers to separate them. Slightly chop them into smaller pieces. Remove the skin of the carrot and cut them into small pieces. Finally, chop the green onions. Remove the shell of the prawns. Keep the prawn shells and put them in the freezer for later use to make some soup base. Dry the prawns as much as possible. Remove the intestine and cut them into small pieces. Slightly smash on the prawns and mince the prawns. Diagonally cut the French loaf into around 5 cm in width. Mix all the ingredients and condiments into a bowl. Add in the cornstarch slowly until the mixture becomes less watery. Put the mixture on top of the bread. And that's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. At medium heat, add in half cup of oil. Add in the bread with the mixture facing down. Fry until golden brown and remove them. Preheat the toaster oven. Add in the bread facing down. We want to achieve crispiness. Keep an eye on the bread and prevent them from getting burned. Flip the bread every time the top surface starts to brown. Dig in with your favorite dipping sauce. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers! Enjoy your meal!